If you want to crop a photo in CapCut, this video is going to walk you through it step by step in the simplest way possible. Whether you're editing for social media, YouTube, or just cleaning up a photo for a project, cropping is one of the fastest ways to focus attention, remove unwanted space, and make your image fit the exact format you need. And before we jump in, if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more easy CapCut tips just like this one. Alright, let's get into it. First, open CapCut and make sure your project is ready. Once you're inside, the first thing you need to do is select the photo you want to crop. If your photo is already on the timeline, just drag it there and click on it so it becomes highlighted. This is important because CapCut needs to know which image you want to edit before the crop tool becomes useful. Now that your photo is selected, look at the toolbar directly above the timeline. You should see the crop icon there. It usually looks like a square with overlapping corners, which makes it easy to identify. Go ahead and click that crop icon to open the crop tool. Once the crop window appears, you'll notice a few options. One of the most useful is the ratio drop-down menu. If you want complete freedom to crop the image however you like, leave the ratio set to free. This lets you manually adjust the crop area without being locked into a specific shape. You can drag the corner handles inward to trim away anything you don't want in the frame. If you need your image to fit a specific platform or layout, then a preset aspect ratio is the better choice. For example, if you're creating a square image for Instagram, you might choose 1:1. If you're making a widescreen format for YouTube, you could choose 16:9. These preset ratios help keep your crop perfectly consistent and make sure your final image matches the intended size without guessing. After you choose your ratio, adjust the crop box until the photo looks exactly how you want it. Try to keep the most important part of the image centered and remove any distracting edges or empty space. This small step can make a huge difference in how polished your final edit looks. When you're happy with the frame, go to the bottom right of the pop-up window and click the confirm button. That applies the crop to your photo and locks in the changes. At this point, your image should now be resized and framed exactly the way you wanted. And that's all there is to it. Cropping a photo in CapCut is quick, easy, and really useful once you know where to click. You can use freehand cropping for total control or use aspect ratios when you want a clean, platform-ready result. If this video helped, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next CapCut tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.